Hello, fellow EuroSTAR enthusiasts. I am thrilled to invite you all to join me for the EuroSTAR 2024 conference in the beautiful city of Stockholm for a deep dive into a topic that I'm very passionate about: human-centric testing, building empathy into the user experience. In our rapidly evolving digital world, the human element of technology has never been more critical. That's why we'll be exploring how to weave empathy into the very fabric of our testing processes, ensuring that the software we craft truly resonates with our users. We'll navigate through engaging discussions, real-world examples, and interactive exercises that promise to transform not just how you test, but why you test. And whether you're a seasoned tester or you're just new to the field, this talk is designed to spark a paradigm shift, inspiring you to see your work through the lens of empathy and user experience. So mark your calendars and save the date. I can't wait to see you there, where together we'll redefine the boundaries of testing and user experience. See you in Stockholm.